Hi, I'm Rachel Ellsworth, a speech-language pathologist and owner at Speech Corner, and today I'm here to demonstrate our Treasure Trove Auditory Inferencing game and the various add-on decks that you can use with it. So, our Treasure Trove Auditory Inferencing game comes complete with 50 gold coins, 30 jewels, a custom die, and 50 cards. So when you want to play this game, what you do is you pass out each player 2 gold coins and 2 jewels. So each student gets a few coins and jewels to start off with before you actually start the activity. Once each player has their 2 jewels and 2 coins, then they get to work on the cards. So you would want to set that in the middle, and you keep the card that's blue that says die instruction near you, and then the rest of the cards can go in the game. So when it's the first student's turn, they can draw a card or you can, but this is an auditory game, so you would want to read it to them. So you read them the short paragraph that's on the card, and you really want to let the students know that the paragraph that you're reading, the answer is never going to come out of your mouth. They are very accustomed to reading comprehension and listening comprehension tasks, and so oftentimes they're just trying to remember some obscure detail instead of trying to get the whole meaning of the passage and put those clues together. And that's what you're trying to do, is work on their inferring skills. And so I let them know right away that they need to try to make a picture, visualize in their head what I'm saying, and work on that skill in order to answer the question. So the paragraph you read, and it gives them lots of details and lots of clues so that they're able to answer the question right. Once you ask them the inferential question and they answer, then they get to roll the custom die. And once they roll, then you hold the die instruction card, and the roll of the die lets them know what they get to do. So if they roll a coin, they get to take a gold coin from the treasure chest. If they roll a jewel, they get to take a jewel from the treasure chest. If they roll a picture of the treasure chest, they return a gold coin or a jewel to the treasure chest. If they roll an anchor, they get to take a gold coin or jewel from another player. And if they roll skull and crossbones, they have to give up one of their own jewels or coins and give that to another player. So the roll of the die just makes things a little bit more fun, as they're earning and losing jewels and coins as they play the game. At the end of the therapy session, you get to decide, do you want the child or student that has the most gold coins and jewels to be the winner? Or you can have them pool their gold coins and jewels, add them up, and decide if they beat the treasure chest. So you can count up what's left over in the treasure chest. If they have more than the treasure chest, then they win. If the treasure chest has more than they do, then it wins. So you can kind of customize the rules to meet the needs of your students. If your students are not working on inferring skills, you can look at the add-on decks. So the 3 different add-on decks that we have currently are the Treasure Trove for vocabulary, the Treasure Trove Semantics, word meanings, and the Treasure Trove for social language. Each of these boxes contain 250 cards that you can use in conjunction with the main Treasure Trove game. They do not contain the gold coins, the jewels, or the custom die, but they do contain 250 cards. For the vocabulary deck, you're going to get 50 cards in each of the following sections: synonyms, antonyms, multiple meanings, context clues, and homophones, for a total of 250 cards. In the Treasure Trove Semantics, word meanings, you get 250 cards, 50 in each of the sections: functions, name the category, what belongs, compare and contrast, and which one doesn't belong. And the Treasure Trove for Social Language targets 50 gestures and facial expressions, 50 acting on emotions, 50 social situation cards, 50 being a good friend, and the last 50 are how do you feel cards. So if this game targets any of the areas that you target, with the vocabulary being second grade and up, the semantics being first grade and up, the social language being first grade and up, and I've seen it even used in junior highs because there are no pictures, it's just social situations, facial expressions, so it's more what you're expecting out of the answer instead of less grade content specific. And the inferring, which is kindergarten and up. If these interest you and sound like students or clients on your caseload, then please visit speechcorner.com and take a look at our Treasure Trove Auditory Inferencing or one of the Mega Bundle add-on decks. Thank you.